peeps! What's up? How are you? Following up from a previous video that I totally forgot I even said this, but then someone actually wanted it, so I was like, yay! Thank you for making a video suggestion. One of the things I do here is these fun creative how-to videos for how you guys can make your TikTok videos as funny as mine. Some of the TikTok videos I do are skits, where there's like multiple characters and you have to split back and forth between each character, but have some sort of continuity and or time change. So like my one really popping off video that this worked for was the I'm you 10 minutes from now, the one from the Austin Powers movie, that TikTok sound. I can put it up on the screen so you guys know. But yeah, I wouldn't have been able to have done those cuts back and forth. It wouldn't have made sense continuity-wise for me to wipe off all that makeup, put it back on. That would have taken hours, you know? So TikTok has a really nice timer function for you to use for these character swaps so that you can just go and readjust your clips, retake it, and then the continuity is still there, the background doesn't change. You're not resetting up the camera hours later. I forgot to give you guys your positive affirmation. Your positive affirmation for the day is good things come to those who hustle and or to those who wait. But also, your dreams aren't gonna come to yourself. You gotta make them happen. Go do it. Okay, let's get into how to do this TikTok hack. So I've got a ring light over here that I'm gonna do this with. My doggo is kind of in the way at the moment. Whoops. Gotta move, doggo. I'm gonna do a quick. Oh, okay, that's fine. I could not say quick TikTok tutorial. Oh my goodness. Ring light. Plugged into my computer. Ta-da. So, I'm gonna go back to my TikTok, the one that I kind of chose this sound for. This lighting is not the best. Whatever, it's fine. My lighting's good over here, so that's okay. Alright, I'm gonna start screen recording. Cool. And so, timer function, this little guy.
Actually, I have 4 kids. Dang.
We're gonna slide the timer function to where the first character ends. I didn't hear that that was a good ending.
Yeah, no, actually I have 4 kids.
Okay, that's where she ends where what she's saying in the clip before Kevin Hart comes in and says his next thing, his next funny line. So, it's gonna count you down. I like 10 seconds because I get a little antsy and I'm like, okay, I gotta get settled. Get into the character mode.
Yeah, no, actually I have 4 kids.
Okay, you do your first clip.
Dang.
Okay, so then you've got the second character queued up. You've got the second character queued up. You could have counted down to 3 because we're just gonna literally record ourselves.
Dang.
Okay, so that's the second clip. You leave it alone. However you looked is however you looked. We're not gonna worry about it. So this is where I'm gonna give her like a sassy like, what do you mean, damn? Practicing. Then the last clip
I'm sorry.
is where you can start your transition. So he's gonna be over here this side. I'm sorry. That way you keep continuity.
I'm sorry. Yeah, no, actually I have 4 kids. Dang. I'm sorry. Yeah, no, actually I have 4 kids. Dang.
Okay, so in order order to get that one in the middle where it's actually him and not her, you're gonna go bloop, this clip, and you're gonna start over. Oh, so now you're redoing this clip as the second character. But only this part. I might post this TikTok, I might not. Might just be for this video purpose. You never know. I don't think it's gonna let me zoom. Okay, let's check that out.
Yeah, no, actually I have 4 kids. Damn. I'm sorry.
Okay, so I don't love it, but you get it. We'll save it as a draft, I don't know. And there you have it. Pretty neat little trick, just that little adjust clips, start over as your first character versus your second character, time in between, or a costume change, or whatever you need to do to differentiate the two characters. Super easy way to edit, and then you keep your continuity because you didn't change, hopefully you didn't change your camera so that the background stays the same. That's kind of how to keep continuity in your editing. Do it much, much faster with multiple different characters in your TikTok. Hope that was helpful to you. And if you enjoyed, if you got some knowledge out of it, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I try and put out new videos for you guys every single week, full of positive vibes, knowledge, comedy, laughter. We're just here to have a good time. And if you want to be a part of that, then you know what to do. Alrighty. Remember, my peeps, be kind to each other in real life and on the internet, and spread positivity everywhere that you go. And with that, we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.